Number 8. Product review. The O-Cedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System with one extra refill is an exceptional product that revolutionizes the way we clean our floors. With its innovative design and user-friendly features, this product provides an efficient and hassle-free mopping experience. Measuring at 19.53 inches, 11.7 inches, 11.48 inches, this mop and bucket set is compact yet spacious enough to hold an adequate amount of water for cleaning. The item's weight of 4.76 pounds makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing strain on your arms and back during cleaning sessions. Manufactured by Freudenberg Household Products and made in the USA, the O-Cedar Easywring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System showcases a commitment to quality and durability. Its ASIN is B071G1J8TZ, and the item model. One of the standout features of this product is its easy wringing mechanism. With a simple push down on the foot pedal, the mop head,